Are you tired of hitting roadblocks while streaming your favorite content online? Well, it's time to level up your streaming game with AstrillVPN. Streaming online might seem like a breeze, but lurking beneath the surface are pesky geo-restrictions and privacy concerns that can spoil your viewing experience. Ever experienced that frustrating moment when you're pumped to watch a show, only to be greeted by the dreaded geo-restriction message? Fear not. We're about to spill the beans on how using AstrillVPN can turn that frown upside down. Enter AstrillVPN, your virtual key to unlocking a world of limitless entertainment. With just a few clicks, you can bypass geo-blocks and access your favorite shows and movies from anywhere on the globe. Picture this: you, cozy on the couch, popcorn in hand, streaming your favorite series without care. That's the magic of streaming with AstrillVPN. Seamless, uninterrupted bliss. But wait, there's more. With AstrillVPN, you're not just limited to your local content library. Say goodbye to FOMO as you gain access to exclusive shows and movies available in other countries. Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, you name it, AstrillVPN can unblock it. No more missing out on must-watch titles because they're unavailable in your region. And here's a little secret sauce. Did you know that using AstrillVPN can actually improve your streaming speed? Say goodbye to endless buffering and hello to smooth, high-quality playback. Now, let's talk about privacy. Streaming without AstrillVPN is like broadcasting your viewing habits to the world. But with AstrillVPN, your online activity remains private and secure from prying eyes. Shield yourself from potential hackers and snoops with AstrillVPN's military-grade encryption and anonymous browsing. It's like having your own fortress of digital solitude. And the best part? Streaming with AstrillVPN is as easy as pie. Simply download the app, choose your server, hit connect, and voila! You're ready to binge watch to your heart's content. So, the next time you're craving some quality screen time, remember to fire up that trusty AstrillVPN for a hassle-free streaming experience. Because when it comes to unlocking the world of entertainment, AstrillVPN is your ultimate sidekick. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tech insights. Until next time, happy streaming with AstrillVPN.